trying to figure out where to go to bed. I got a turkey going up to the roof right now. Aww. Oh, maybe I should go to the other side. One up, two up. Okay, not very, it's not staying. He wants them to be settled first. Oh, and they're back down again. Take two. They're blondes, okay? Oh! You're supposed to hop up from the red. Oh, you made it. No, there's one that's all like, what do I do? Brothers! On the lawn, what do I do? Sorry for the wire in the way. He's running back and forth around it. Get on. But I have like so many things you can climb up on, dude. There you go. There you go. Can you make it? Three little birdies. There you go. And they're all up. I'm gonna go lay down and cuddle together. Oh, the turkey got off of the roof. It's like, you're not messing with my baby boys, are you? Oh, they're going to bed. It seems like I cleaned their bed for them today. Missed a spot.
How are they? Good, good, good. Okay, I'm going to the bedroom for a little bit.
Go to bed, little boys. Go to bed, little boys. Well, we finally got what we wanted, but we're not done. I gotta go back to cooking. Alright, let's turkey go up. Disregard the mess. Alright, that's his bed. He gets to watch me through the kitchen window. We need to get this thing covered. He likes the seat. Yeah. He's looking like, can I get up on the roof from here? But he can't fly, the other one does. So this is our lawnmower turkey. Our lawnmower. It had a flat tire, that's why it got stuck there, but how we go to bed at night. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Spoiler's going up now. I gotta get back to the food, so good night, y'all. Go lay down, baby boy. It's like, Mom, you're watching. I really want to be up there. Okay, dude. Looks like I want to be on the real roof. The little boys haven't settled down yet. Yeah, they're like eating last night a snack or something. Barry's like, can y'all hush up so I can go to bed? Alright, here we go. We gotta get a better roost for him, yes. You guys tell them. Good night, y'all. It's almost settled. And the neighbor called in. Alright, good night.